I hope you're well and having the most incredible day as always. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is something super exciting because I'm coming at you with another LUSH haul video. So excited. Recently, LUSH have released a lot of new bubble bars and I popped into one of my local shops recently and I picked up a few. I didn't buy them all, but I definitely picked up more than a few, so I thought it was only justifiable if I filmed a video, and that is what I'm going to be doing today. So I hope you guys enjoy this video and carry on watching. So the first bubble bar I picked up is the Rainbow Bubble Bar. Now this one is $5.95. What is going on with my hair? There we go. It's $5.95 and this one smells super citrusy, kind of similar to Avo Bath, but it's definitely got something more to it. I am going to be looking down at the ingredients and stuff on my computer, but that smells really lovely and fresh. It has lemon myrtle oil, benzoin resinoid, and Sicilian lemon. So that one is a really wonderful, fresh, sweet scent. Apparently benzoin resinoid is an intense sweet scent, so it's a very lemony, sweet smell, if that makes sense. Very similar to Avo Bath, but with a little bit more of a sweety, like, undertone. So lovely, though. I believe this one used to be a gift exclusive as well, so I'm so glad they've made it kind of an all-year product. But this smells delicious. I cannot wait to use this. Although I am a little bit concerned that maybe the water might go brown, but I'm not sure. But that smells unbelievable. I'm so happy I bought that one. The next item is a bubble rune, and this is the Apple Crumble Bubble Rune. Now, I'm a big bubble rune fan because they're so moisturising, so hydrating on the skin. This one smells really familiar, and I don't know what it is. If this is part of a scent family, please let me know because I'm not too sure on the top of my head what this one is, but that smells amazing. In terms of ingredients for this one, it has fresh apple pulp, cinnamon leaf oil, cocoa butter, and then something, I don't know how to pronounce that, it's MYRRH resinoid. Apparently it's a very grounding, warm scent, and you can really smell that. There's something a little bit earthy in this that I'm not personally so keen on, but that smells really lovely. It smells very similar to like the Ruby Slipper that came out for Christmas a few years ago, but it is a little bit different. But I love the size of this. It's absolutely massive and you definitely could get maybe even 4 baths out of that. Really worth the money, and price wise it's $6.50, so I personally will use this for 4 baths. I think that's definitely more justifiable price wise than using it all in one. But that does smell nice, but it has got a bit of an earthy undertone, which normally I'm not too keen on, but that is really lovely. I know they've also brought out a lemon version, which the shop I went to Cribs Causeway in Bristol. They didn't have the lemon one, so I got this one. Very nice though. I actually quite like that. It's a very warming, different smell and definitely something that I'm not normally a fan of, so I do like that one actually. Smells kind of like Christmas. I love that. The next bubble bar I picked up was the Worry Monster. Now, originally I thought I probably won't like this one because it is a very strong lavender smell. And you guys know I'm obsessed with Twilight, so for me to say I don't like lavender is a bit odd. But for me, this is more of like a French kiss lavender as opposed to a Twilight lavender, because Twilight's got that tonka undertone. It's a little bit more vanilla-y, a bit more sweet, whereas a French kiss is like a straight up lavender plant in your face kind of vibe. But this one is £5.95, and ingredients wise this one has lavender oil, cocoa butter, and it has ylang ylang, so it's got that sweet scent as well. But this one also has popping candy in it, which I didn't even realise until I checked the ingredients. But scent wise this is a very strong lavender smell. It's almost like a really intense Twilight, especially more on the shower gel sort of side of things. But it does smell really good. It's a touch too much lavendery for my taste, but that does smell really, really good. So I will definitely use that. And the idea of this one is really sweet. You're supposed to tell it all your worries and then crumble it into the bath. And I love that. And it's really cute, so yeah. Oh, it smells amazing. That's nice. Yeah, no, I do like that one. That one is really good. There's not really much from LUSH I don't like, to be honest, apart from things that smell like a garden, so I'm not shocked that I didn't like that one. Next up, we have one which I'm so excited to smell, and when I went to the shop, I didn't really smell a lot of these because firstly, I had a mask on, and I honestly, as much as I love that you can smell them through the mask, I can't really smell them properly, if you know what I mean. So I just put them in my basket. But this is the frozen reusable bubble bar. Now, there used to be a frozen bath bomb, which I used to absolutely love, which was very neroli-y. So it was really uplifting, floral, sweet. It was just great. I loved it. But I don't think this smells like that because I can kind of already smell it and I'm a little bit upset. But this is the frozen reusable bubble bar. Very, very small. But this one is $4.95, so it is a little bit more on the cheaper side. However, this one straight up smells like toothpaste, which I'm a little bit gutted about. You definitely could do a really good cocktail with this and Intergalactic, so like I guess that's a bonus, but it just smells straight up like toothpaste. It's spearmint and sea salt. Straight up chewing gum toothpaste. Not my favourite, I'm not gonna lie. I really wish they kept with the frozen scent family for this one, but it does smell nice, and I think if you were to have a bath in the summer in the morning, oh, I just nearly threw that all over my bed then that would be really good. It's definitely more of a summer vibe, but not my favourite. I think if you used Christingle body conditioner though, that would make a really nice kind of little duo. But yeah, I'm a little bit disappointed with the scent, but it does smell good. Do you know what I mean? I think I was just expecting a little bit more, so yeah. The next bubble bar is the Mr. Whippy. Now, as soon as all the new bubble bars came out, my friend Ben, who works for Lush, was like, Melody, you're gonna love Mr. Whippy, so you need to get one. So I just threw it straight in my basket. I didn't really have time to smell it or look at the ingredients or anything like that, but this is what it looks like. I actually think it's called Mrs. Whippy. Let me check. Yes, my bad. It's Mrs. Whippy, not Mr. Whippy. I'm thinking of ice cream, that's probably why. But this one is £5.95, and ingredients-wise, this one has a buchu oil, coca absolute, almond oil, and tonka. So let's have a smell. That smells familiar. That's definitely got a familiar scent, but I don't know what that is. That smells amazing though. It's really sweet, and I love the fact that it's pink underneath, which just brings me joy, but that smells really sweet. Oh, that is nice though. Almost a very similar scent to like creamy candy, and I don't know, it's like creamy candy mixed with vanilla. That's kind of what this smells like, but that smells delicious. I'm really loving this one, so yeah. Super pink at the bottom as well. Delish. The next bubble bar is probably one of the biggest bubble bars I think Lush has ever done, apart from the Comforter massive one that they've done, and that is the Great Wave. This is absolutely freaking huge. Like, it's absolutely ginormous, and that smells familiar. That's gonna really annoy me. I can't think of what that smells like. If you work for Lush or you know what scent family this is from, please let me know. But this is $5.95, and you could easily get 4, maybe 5 baths out of this, especially if you've got powerful taps. Like, that's really good value, 100%. I would definitely recommend this one. This one is jasmine, sea salt, ylang ylang, and oh, it has 2 lots of sea salt in it. What is that? That smells so familiar. It's almost like a mix of like Tisty Tosty, Sakura. It's very subtle, very light. That's really good though. Very fresh. Ooh, that's probably one of my favourites, you know. That's really good. Looks like a horn. Oh, on my nose again. That's lovely. Oh, yeah. Can't stop sniffing it. Delicious. And last but by no means least is the Raspberry Blower Bubble Bar. Now this is $6.95, and I'm not gonna lie to you, the only reason I picked this one up was because it was the last one there, so I thought people must have been really loving it. That might be quite stupid of me to assume, but I picked it up because it was the last one, and I haven't actually smelt it, so I'm very excited to give this one a smell. This is absolutely massive. Look at the size of it. Wow, that's huge. Oh, wait, is that just like the Comforter? I've smelt this before. Is it the Comforter? Let's look at the ingredients. I'm not too sure. So this one has grapefruit oil, almond oil, and bergamot. So that bergamot is what's giving it that really blackcurranty smell. I think it is the Comforter scented, I'm not gonna lie. It's like a really strong Comforter though, as opposed to like a sweet one. Smells good though. Definitely up my street in terms of scents. So if you don't like the Comforter, which I know some of my friends don't, you're not gonna like this, but yeah, that's really yummy. Oh, and it's reusable, so you could get some really good baths out of this. Oh, that smells delish. Oh, I don't know where to put it, so I'm gonna pop it there and hope that it doesn't go all over my bed sheets because they are white, as always. Somebody actually commented on one of my videos the other day and said, would it really be a Melody video if she didn't get it on her bed sheets? And that is probably true because I continuously get bath bomb dust everywhere, so I completely agree with that. So that's all of the bubble bars that I actually bought from the new range. They had a few others like Twilight and Vesuvio, which I didn't pick up, which I should have, but I didn't. They also had the Castle in the Clouds and Puppy Love, which I have had before. Were there any others? The lemon one, which they didn't have in stock. Matcha Roll, which I just didn't think I would like. Support Bubble, which I didn't buy either. Were there any others? I think that might have been it, you know. Yeah, I think that was it from the new range as far as I can remember that I didn't purchase, which I probably will buy at some point. But I just didn't want to spend the extra like £35, so I just picked the ones that I really wanted to try. And that is what I've done. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please let me know down below in the comments any that you've tried that you love from the new range, or any that you really want to get your hands on, because they are really, really nice and they all smell amazing as far as I can remember. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe and follow me over on my Instagram. I currently have a giveaway going on, so make sure you enter that. And yeah, I hope you guys have a fantastic day, and I will see you in my next video.